What's up, guys? After traveling over 2 whole years non-stop to over 21 countries, from Latin America to Europe, Africa, and Asia, I finally made my decision on the place that I want to call home. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna check out some apartments here in Managua, Nicaragua. We want to rent something here, so I'm trying to find a place to stay. Love this city. Stay tuned. Joining me in my apartment hunt here in the city of Managua is my dear local friend Tati, who has extensive knowledge as a tour guide in the country of Nicaragua and as a translator, and she'll be helping me find the best deal in the best neighborhoods in the city.
Can tell me some of the address? I think it's by that way. I know that there's many apartments.
Our first stop is in the neighborhood of Los Robles, checking out a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Yo lo espero aquí abajo ahorita la muchacha.
This is a place we found pretty quickly on Facebook Marketplace, and currently is renting for $390 per month.
Pretty nice bathroom.
This apartment comes with water, internet, cable, and security included. The only thing I have to pay extra is the light bill, which the lady told me if I ran the AC like all day, it would cost about $30 to $50 per month.
Stove and refrigerator.
It does seem to have all the basic amenities needed, and this apartment comes fully furnished as is, and I think it looks okay. Not sure if this is going to be the main decision I make today, but we're gonna look around and keep it moving.
Definitely a good price for the amount of space you get.
Next, we hook up with a real estate agent that takes us a little bit across town to the neighborhood of Reparto de San Juan.
Es súper bonita, es bastante segura,
Sí.
es todo. Si me preguntan, aquí
Sí.
es el apartamento.
Allá, bastante lejos allá.
Por aquí,
Buenos días.
Ya, por aquí entran los que tienen acceso al apartamento.
¿Cómo se llama?
Ángela, ya le voy a dar un...
Placer.
Looks very nice, very nice area.
This apartment is in a gated community with a few other units in a very safe and central part of town.
Aquí pueden usar.
Oh, so you have the laundry, okay.
Pues que pueden usarlo todo. Solamente después dejamos cerrado.
So it's a common area.
Up here. Aquí tiene el espacio.
Very nice bed.
Vamos todo. Aquí está todo equipado.
This place is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment and is renting for $550 per month. It comes fully furnished with water, cable, internet, and 24-hour security included in the price. And pretty nice area so far. I'm feeling this here. And the furniture here looks brand new, if not rarely used, in very nice condition. Very clean space, wide open, lots of natural light. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling the whole vibe, the whole atmosphere here. Very nice balcony with nice views. Seems like the air can just flow through this apartment with not much need for AC. A lot of perks. Yeah, it's gonna make my decision a little bit more harder.
A very nice place.
Rolling right down the street, still here in the neighborhood of Reparto de San Juan, we come across the third apartment that we look at today.
Yeah, this is okay.
This place is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment that rents for $450 per month.
Nice refrigerator. Stove. Has a washing machine.
Tiene hot water.
Has the hot water too. Hang your clothes up here.
Y aquí en la habitación. Aquí hay un
Nice bed. Nice.
walk-in closet and the bathroom.
Walk-in closet.
It seems standard when renting a fully furnished apartment that it also comes with water, internet, and cable. The only thing extra is the lights, which is pretty nice.
You have hot water here.
Hot water here. And how much is I mean,
This one is 450.
450.
Include internet, basic internet.
Okay.
And water.
Okay. And like, what's the minimum like months here? Like what, 6 months a year?
The same, 12.
12. Okay. I see you have fan and AC. So for
Here,
and it's here,
60, 50.
$50 around there.
$50 per month.
El 50 depende del aire. Si lo usa toda la noche, 60.
So all day AC.
All day, around 60 or a little bit more.
60.
Y si no puedes con la abanico, ven.
I will mention, as she did earlier, this place does come with hot water, but that's not the case with all apartments here in Nicaragua. But I will say that most apartments seem to have a natural airflow that flows through the space, making it not much need to use the AC, which is a good thing when it comes to saving on the electric bill.
Aquí tiene
It's like for
cerca.
carros.
Sí, para los carros.
Okay.
Sí, para aquí tiene cerca todo, restaurante, ahí todo cerca, supermercado.
Supermercados.
Todo.
Zona Hippo.
Zona ahí, por todo cerca ahí.
Bueno.
As my man mentioned, this place is very close to the nightlife district, so it could go down here. In the meantime though, we gotta keep it moving. Heading to the fourth apartment that we'll check out today. As we ride a little further across town to the neighborhood of Altamira.
Okay.
This place here seems a little smaller already, like a studio apartment, but looks fairly new. Have a pretty cozy space, nice futon.
Looks new, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's what
Yeah.
I'm going to say to that.
New bed. Closet, pretty nice.
It's renting for $330 per month.
Very nice shower.
Same here, water, internet, and cable included.
Oh, nice. Nice balcony.
So you have the space to straight pump into.
Washing machine with a clothesline. Yeah, pretty nice place here. Good little balcony. A lot of shade. Yeah, I can see myself over here. See how it goes. This is the only one that's available right now. She said, right?
Ese es el único que está disponible ahorita, ¿verdad?
Like this one is available now. This one.
Ese.
Yeah. And I like this place.
La cocina está nueva, el refrigerador es nuevo.
It's new. Yeah. Nuevo.
Ese es el original. And also just like it could be negotiated. You can get the deal at 300. First, same here.
Nice. Okay. So they all got the same layout.
Yeah. They're on new. Right now they're playing with this one. Oh yeah. Same style, same furniture.
So yeah, We'll see. Stay tuned.
Very nice neighborhood.
Very clean. Well taken care of. People walking with their dogs.
The next place we look at is so close, we actually just take a walk down the street and arrive there. Checking out some of the nice environment and clean landscape of Nicaragua. Very nice. This apartment seems to be in an enclosed area with multiple other units throughout the property. So when we arrive, I see that it's a studio apartment, which in the photos it looked like it was a partition. So I don't know what to think initially.
Esta tiene más. Esta ya tiene como 2 años.
2 años.
Más o menos como 2 años. Lo que pasa es que se ocupa poco, pues. Tiene esa ventaja. Y los clientes a veces vienen y se van. Tiene tu aire. Tiene aire. Tienes tu propio medidor. Este es tu
Where's
panel.
the bed here?
Where's the gas bit?
Wait. So this is the one for 300, right?
Este es de 300, ¿verdad?
Este es el de 300.
Okay. Yeah, 'cause I remember the other one had a room.
Tengo otro de 3,5 si lo quieren ver.
Sí, sí.
Tengo. Yo a este le pongo. Yo a este le pongo un.
I did the beach
Okay.
because I want a picture.
Okay, I see.
Yo a este le
De Van
pongo.
Gogh.
Yeah.
Poner librero. Y ya.
Ajá.
Pero con esto también puede servir. El baño. El super arquitecto dejó
Bueno.
los apagadores afuera.
Agua quente.
Sí.
Sí.
Sí, de la ducha real.
Pretty nice bathroom.
Ahorita con la de las construcciones y esas cosas de pronto, pero tengo 3 tanques.
This apartment goes for $300 per month with same, water, internet, and cable included. Yes. The only thing I'm not feeling so much is it's a pretty small studio apartment, even smaller than the last one. And I also have to share some of the amenities like the washing machine, and I don't know how that's gonna work out. But however, I am keeping an open mind when viewing all of these apartments, so we'll see when I make my final decision.
Back on the outside.
Our next stop takes us to the neighborhood of Las Colinas,
Así es.
a little bit further outside of the city center.
Lo que el dueño lo que dice es que sí es.
This one is actually a house that's renting for $350 per month. It is, like I said, a little bit outside the main road, which kind of makes it hard to walk from place to place, and you would definitely need a car to get around this area.
Very nice grass. Little backyard.
Not only is it for rent, it's also for sale for the very good price of $29,000. Straight up. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom house, which is kind of small, so I don't think I would necessarily buy a house like this for that amount. But nevertheless, it does rent for $350 per month, so while we're here, go ahead and take a look around. I think they could have done a better job with the presentation since they did know we were coming with the clothes laying around. But anyway, being that this is a house, it doesn't include water, internet, and cable. So we'll have to get those ourselves, including paying the lights.
There's agua fuerte.
Sí.
Yeah.
However, it does come fully furnished with all the amenities and furniture, TV. All that looks good. Appliances look fairly new.
Looks pretty new.
Everything?
This looks new. Nuevo, huh?
Yep. We could use it.
There's a little window there. There's some air in here.
Oh, very fresh.
Yeah.
I really
The
like
only
it.
thing is a long way to go. Oh, you okay? Oh, I get you. I get it. Sorry, my friend.
The place does look pretty cool. Only thing is, like I said, is a little ways outside the city and not really a walkable area. But other than that, checks the boxes. Finally, we come to the last apartment that we'll look at on my hunt for a place here in the city of Managua, which is in the neighborhood of Los Robles.
Tiene cámaras. Well, has cameras. De seguridad. Okay. Ya después de las 6 de la tarde. Después de las 6 de la tarde le abren y lo cerran. Okay. Parking. Ahí le siguen la administradora de acá. Buenas.
Adelante.
Okay.
This place here, which is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, rents for $300 per month and comes fully furnished with brand new appliances with water, cable, internet, and 24-hour security included in the rent.
La salita, desayunosito. ¿Hizo de nuevo? Fíjese que sí. Sí, es nueva, de hecho. La cocina, abajo está su tanque de gas. ¿Gas? Sí, gas. Ahí creo que estaba, allá al otro lado. En uno del otro lado. Allá al otro lado, al otro. Allá abajo.
Yeah, there it is. Okay.
Tiene lavadora.
Kitchen.
Su lavadora y
TV. Good.
su televisor.
Ahora les voy a explicar algo del TV. Pase, pase.
At the time of visiting, it doesn't have a bed in the room, but I'm told they will bring one in if I do decide to rent this apartment.
¿Cama? ¿No cama? Sí tiene.
Okay.
Te voy a explicar, Francis. La cama, como el muchacho que estaba acá tenía su cama, se sacó. Okay. Pero se va a meter
The space is kind of small, but it does have AC. And from what they tell me, the light bill usually runs between $20 and $30 per month if I use it all day, but it could be less if I just use it periodically.
Sí, se le oye el acento.
And this is the door.
AC is nuevo también?
Es inverter.
Also, I'm told if I open this window, a nice breeze flows through the apartment, making the use for AC minimal. There's another apartment in this complex that he would like to show me, so we're gonna check that one out as well.
Okay, so this one seems like more wide open. Also have a ceiling fan. Bed is already in here, along with couch, dining table, chair, TV. Also the kitchen. Have a kitchen here. Full size refrigerator. Washing machine. Cabinets. Yeah, looks good. Yeah. Same price too, $300. Closet area. I don't think the other one had a closet. Maybe it did. Bathroom. Decent size. Shower, decent size as well. But need the shower head. And also have the, you can put the towels and stuff. Yeah, to me, I feel like this one is a better deal for the $300. You guys let me know in the comments, but gonna make a decision real soon. Stay tuned.